This great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, body color door handles, chrome rear bumper, 4-wheel disc brakes, HD radio, steering wheel audio controls, tachometer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.